Yeah, that's a boat, Shushu. In here, they're already ripe. Wow, look at that. So here's more. It's free. It's free, they said. So I'm gonna get more. It's a wild raspberry here in Twin Lakes. Oh my god. I didn't expect this. Wow. Look. Oh my god. This is amazing. Yes. Huh? I got plenty. Yeah, there's a lot. Wow, this is my first time to see a wild raspberry here and Twin Lakes.
Dua nih balik deh, bos. Oh, dari itu dah. Bandung dan Twin Lake. Ya, oh, get ni kuya.
Go the shark. Oh, the shark will get you. The monster inside there.
Beran aja oh. Ako ba ni Pan? Uy, buaya.
Ayaw po game. Mukhaon sila tao. Looks like it's gonna rain again. Oh, it started to rain.
Oh no, it's raining. Wow, look.
Wow. You can take a video.